हेलो एवरीवन। जैसा कि आप सबको पता है, आईआरईएल ने मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनी के लिए 24 सितंबर को एग्ज़ाम कराया था, जिसमें जेएमडी ग्लोबल राजधानी पार्क मेट्रो स्टेशन के पास सेंटर में एग्ज़ाम कंडक्ट नहीं हो पाया था, जिसका री एग्ज़ाम 8 अक्टूबर को हुआ है। अभी यू कैन चेक द आंसर कीज एंड क्वेश्चन पेपर फॉर री एग्ज़ाम हेल्ड ऑन 8 अक्टूबर 2023। दिस इज द मास्टर क्वेश्चन पेपर विद आंसर्स की for the post of management trainee IREL, but IREL has not provided the response of candidates. Based on the memory you can file objections, but सारा क्वेश्चन मेमोराइज करना इजी नहीं है। आपने क्या रिस्पॉन्स लगाए हैं? द लिंक हैज़ बीन शेयर्ड टू द कैंडिडेट्स ईमेल आईडी who have attended the exam. You can view the model answer key or master question paper by using your roll number, date of birth and choice of post name, management trainee chemical, electrical or any other for which re-exam was held on 8th October. I am going to discuss first 50 question and answer with master question paper. It will be help to other candidate who have not attended the exam. दिस इज़ द टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन। आई थिंक आईआरईएल ने एक ही कॉमन क्वेश्चन पेपर बनाया था 8 अक्टूबर को, जिसमें इलेक्ट्रिकल, केमिकल और जनरल कॉमन क्वेश्चन थे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, बल्क स्ट्रेन इज आल्सो नोन एज वॉल्यूमेट्रिक स्ट्रेन। नेक्स्ट, एल्कली मेटल्स आर रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट। A Zener diode is used as voltage regulator. Next question, hot working of metals takes place above recrystallization temperature. Quicklime का क्या काम है? Generate heat when added to water. Quicklime is used for whitewashing. Quicklime react with carbon dioxide. All answer will be correct. All these. Option D. Dynamic friction is always less than static friction. In which of the following appliances the heating effect of electricity is used? Electric furnace. The heating effect of electricity is used in electric furnace. Next question, the noble gases are generally unreactive because they have high ionization energy. Option C is correct. The instrument used to measure high temperature in the furnace is pyrometer. Pyrometer is used to measure high temperature in the furnace. The friction experienced by a body when at rest is known as static friction. आराम की स्थिति में किसी वस्तु द्वारा अनुभव किया जाने वाला घर्षण स्थैतिक घर्षण कहलाता है। In fluid mechanics, turbine is an example of open system. The fuse material used in electrical electronic circuit must have low melting point. इलेक्ट्रिकल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट में उपयोग होने वाला फ्यूज मटेरियल निम्न गलनांक वाला अवश्य होना चाहिए। The decimal number 19 when converted into binary gives the value of 10011. You can solve this like 2 की पावर 0 equal to 1, second one 2 की पावर 1 2 and last 2 की पावर 4 equal to 16. Total 16 plus 2 plus 1 19. Option A 10011. The NOR gate is combination of OR and NOT gate. The process of heating the high carbon steel above its upper critical temperature followed by slow cooling is known as annealing. This is a mixed question paper. Some question related to chemical engineering, some from electrical and computer. Radio frequency signals in the UHF range propagate by means of space waves. Option A is correct. Next question, negative feedback in an amplifier. Option D is correct, reduces noise and distortion. शोर और विकृति को कम करता है. What is the unit of magnetic flux? Weber is the unit of magnetic flux. Which of the following elements is used for doping silicon to prepare a p-type semiconductor? Boron is used for prepare a p-type semiconductor. Fleming's right hand rule gives us the direction of induced current. प्रेरित धारा. ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. द स्टोरेज लोकेशन इन द इंटरनल स्टोरेज ऑफ ए CPU आर कॉल्ड एड्रेसेस. CPU के इंटरनल स्टोरेज में स्टोरेज लोकेशन को एड्रेस कहा जाता है. द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ ए ट्रांसफार्मर इज मेनली डिपेंडेंट ऑन कोर लॉसेस. द पॉइंट एट विच होल बॉडी मास टू बी concentrated is known as center of gravity. General physics question. Which of the following is used to make diode, transistor and integrated circuit? Silicon is used for make diode, transistor and integrated circuit. Which of the following cannot be measured using a multimeter? Capacitance cannot be measured using a multimeter. A volatile substance added to paint to make its application easy and smooth is called solvent. किसी पेंट के अनुप्रयोग को आसान और सुचारू बनाने के लिए उसमें जो वाष्पशील पदार्थ मिलाया जाता है उसे विलायक कहा जाता है, सॉल्वेंट कहा जाता है. Inertia is the inherent property of body which offers reluctance to change in the state of rest or uniform motion. Next question, imaginary lines joining the points of equal rainfall are called isohyds. Imaginary lines joining the points of equal rainfall are called isohyds. Remember this question. Permanent hardness of water is due to the presence of sulfates of calcium and magnesium in water. Which of the following is not an ore of copper? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा तांबे का अयस्क नहीं है? हेमेटाइट तांबे का अयस्क नहीं है. हेमेटाइट आयरन का अयस्क है. डिफिशियंसी ऑफ विटामिन के कॉजेज. विटामिन के की कमी से रक्त का थक्का जमने में को समय बढ़ जाता है. इंक्रीज ब्लड क्लॉटिंग time. The energy released when an electron is added to a neutral atom in the gaseous state is called electron affinity. A gas will approach ideal behavior at high temperature and low pressure. Option D is correct. In computers, the C language is context-free language. Which of the following will change with time for a first order reaction? Rate of reaction. Rate of reaction will change with time for first order reaction. This is chemical engineering question. And next is computer. Which of the following unit of CPU select and interprets program instruction and then coordinates with execution? Control unit, CU. In computer programming, the act of partitioning a program into individual component is called modularity. Which of the following is not a type of operating system? Unix, Mac, Windows, Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office is not a operating system. Which of the following is a function of database management system? All of these answers. Provide utility services, provide recovery services, provide data independence. Database management system. के फंक्शंस हैं। सब्सटेंसेस दैट आर वीकली अट्रैक्टेड बाय मैग्नेट्स आर कॉल्ड पैरामैग्नेटिक। वे पदार्थ जो चुंबक द्वारा कमज़ोर रूप से आकर्षित होते हैं उसे अनुचुंबकीय कहा जाता है। द ह्यूमिडिफिकेशन ऑफ ब्लास्ट इन आयरन ब्लास्ट फर्नेस लीड्स टू लोअरिंग ऑफ रेसवे टेम्परेचर। Mineral deposit in solid rock is known as lode. Space availability in vertical and horizontal directions is most effectively utilized is known as principle of cubic space utilization. When mineral breaks with curved concavities, the fracture surface is known as कंचॉइडल। जब खनिज घुमावदार अवतलता के साथ टूटता है तो फ्रैक्चर सतह को शंखाकार के रूप में जाना जाता है। कूलिंग ऑफ ऑस्टेनाइट ऑफ यूटेक्टाइड कंपोजिशन एट 723 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड रिजल्ट इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ परलाइट। In which method the particle size of the ore is progressively reduced until the clean particles of mineral are separated is known as comminution. Next question, hammer mill is impact crusher. Sedimentation method has been illustrated by option D is correct, beaker decantation. The mineral not belonging to the quartz group is calcite. Calcite is not belonging to the quartz group. The fine product from classification is known as slimes. Next 50 technical and 50 non-technical I will be share in next video. You can file objections to model answer keys till 14th October 2023 12 noon by paying 500 rupees per question. If candidate's objection regarding any particular question is found valid, the fee will be refunded. Without response of candidates, ऑब्जेक्शन इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर ऑल क्वेश्चन। अगर आपको आपके आंसर्स याद हैं कौन से आपने अटेम्प्ट किए हैं तो ऑब्जेक्शन के लिए ट्राई कर सकते हैं अगर कोई लगे। थैंक यू।